So Lu is helping. Peanuts from birds outside. And he's not allowed any because he still needs to eat his pellets first. So when I'm done grinding, he's allowed to dig out the mortar. Until then, he has to spectate. Yeah, you have to spectate. I know, you've convinced me. You are very, very sweet. You are a very nice bird. Yeah. Yes. Nice bird. He's really, I don't know if it's him being full in the peak of his mating season or that he's actually becoming nicer. But before the implant, he would have bitten me freely by now a couple of times. And not just nibs, but bloody hell. And we're working with the aviator harness because I have a feeling he would be healthier if he could fly, even if he could just fly a couple of meters or hover. I think there would be less. Well, I think his intestines will work better. Whoa, whoa. Put it back. Nee, los. Nee, put it back. Los. 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 Je mag straks. Nee. Los. Nu er nog geen bij. Los. Los. That's very hard. I can't do that. No, I can't do it. Los. Good. Heb je nog iets in je mond? Goed zo. Die mag je hebben. The shitty thing is that when I give him one peanut, you know, like this one peanut, he just won't eat his pellets all day. He'll just be ignoring them. And he's just going like, I don't need to eat. Oh no. So, he's lucky. Lucky guy. No.